Start your global hospitality career today. Hospitality is one of the biggest industries in the world. From hotels and cruise lines to airlines, tourism, and hospitality technology. If you love customer service, travel, and working with people, there is a place for you in this industry. To succeed globally, focus on these essential skills: customer service, cultural intelligence, communication, AI-assisted service, professional grooming, a positive attitude. There are many career paths you can grow into: front office, food and beverage, housekeeping, cabin crew, cruise dining and bars, guest relations, reservations, travel consulting, hospitality tech platforms. To prepare for international roles, start learning industry standards. Improve your English, understand multicultural environments, practice professionalism, build confidence. When you understand how the hospitality industry works, you start to understand where you fit and where you can grow. Your global journey starts now. Comment, guide, if you want a free hospitality career roadmap.